welcome. We gather today to rejoice, to celebrate in the love that Philip and Rebecca have found in each other.
From her earliest years, Rebecca has always been bright, energetic, inquisitive, and always at the centre of the action. Be that good or...
Now, what can I say about Philip? We knew we would be going places. You've always been very ambitious, not content with sitting still. Your greatest achievement is today, and I hope you realise you've hit the jackpot.
Happiness in marriage is not something that just happens. In marriage, the little things are the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say, "I love you," at least once a day. It is at no time taking the other for granted. It is doing things for each other in the spirit of joy. It is standing together facing the world. It is not only marrying the right person, it is being the right person.